Hey guys, it's the AWAS here with Jeff and Jonah.
And it's the balmy 90 degrees and 80% humidity.
Yeah, you can see the sweat on us.
Yeah.
We had a lot of fun. So we met Jonah, and he has. Tell us about your bike first of all. This is a cool bike.
It's a 21 KTM 350 XC-F Kailub Russell edition. It's a great bike. I've had it for a couple months now. This is about the 4th or 5th ride I've had on it. I've really come from 2 strokes, and so a 250 wasn't enough, and a 450 was too much. So I decided to go 350 in it.
Nice.
It's a great bike. It's only had one bad get off today and bent the bars a little bit, but nothing too bad.
We didn't get that one on video, but we got a couple.
Yeah,
some really good video of him riding on this bike. It's 230 pounds.
It's 220, dry and about 235, 240 wet. Wow. So it's about 50 horsepower. It's pretty much stock setup, stock suspension, everything. I've just
stock for a Kailub Russell.
Yeah, for Kailub Russell. So people race with this.
They do.
Like you said,
it's about race ready, which a lot of KTMs really are race ready. So they're, in my opinion, you can't really beat KTM. And so I got this bike for a good deal. And
this guy's fast, right here.
He's fast. He goes, I'm gonna take it easy, and then all of a sudden he's like jumping and stuff. So wait. Wait, is my KLX 300 race ready?
It's ready to get to the race.
It's ready to get to the race. Wait, so you're local.
I'm from here, yeah.
You're from here. Also, you were in the military, which is cool. So thank you for that. I also have a lot of respect for you guys.
Appreciate it.
And so you're back on this dirt bike after many years. Sounds like you used to race. You having fun again, or?
Oh, it was a lot of fun. I mean, I've got a lot of trails that I cut in myself at my grandparents' property. They have about 100 acres, and so that's how I grew up riding and learning how to ride. And I went through last Saturday, spent all day cutting through the trails again because I got this bike, and then that huge storm came through and put about 11 trees down. So I was planning on riding there this weekend, and then I couldn't. So I come out here, and this is second time I've ever been out here, first time in about 10 years.
Wow. So well, welcome back. Good to have you back out here. You got to get a dual sport now so you can do some of the stuff we do.
He can put lights on this thing.
Y'all might leave me, but yeah, it's a super fun bike to ride in the woods. It's a lot.
Well, thanks for grabbing the GoPro. I can't wait to put that footage out here too. So I got your number, you've got mine. If you're out here again, let us know. We'll come join you.
Yeah, y'all were great.
All right, that was fun. All right, peace out. We'll see you guys. I'm gonna have you film. I'll get you on YouTube. So this will be cool. So you just clamp it nice all the way up.
Okay.
It's on. All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Now you can hammer it. Every intersection turn left. All right.
All right.
That's it.
Okay. It just keeps going up. Big step there. All right.
So y'all don't want to try?
No, in my dreams. All right, Jonas is going to go up these steps. Up here, it's very steep.
You good?
Yeah. He was that little downhill right there.
Uh-huh.
He's probably going to stop it. That's where he crashed pretty bad a couple weeks. So what he's going to do is probably check it out and
I hear him.
Pennies at it or something.
Yeah, I hear him. I see him.
Yeah.
Good. Nobody wrecked?
Nope.
We're good.
Yeah, everybody's good.
We're good.
A few pucker moments, but when you're going 10 miles an hour, there's a different level of. It's a slow pucker. Yeah, you keep the camera. You're gonna get better riding than I am.
Yeah, I had an almost wreck over there, and well, I like endoed a little bit, and I didn't give enough gas on the lip of the jump.
Yeah.
And I come and I let out a woo! So you'll hear it on the playback. And then on that switchback, that really tight switchback, I tried to just rail that turn, and the one place it's not slick is there. And I just went up on the bank. I about crashed, but I had to, I got it. I had it under control.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. That was smooth.
Yeah,
I did better there. I didn't. Last time I had to stop, and this time I did get through it. It was ugly, but
right-handed turns like that are hard. Okay. If it's a hard switchback left, I don't know if it's because the throttles are away from me.
Ah, good point.
But if you're right-handed, left-handed turns are easier.
Yeah.
If you're left-handed, right-handed turns are usually easier. So it's kind of weird, but have more control. It seems like I guess because your elbows up. You want to. That's the main thing you want is you want to have your elbows at 90. And so when you're turning like this, you can't really do it. So when you're up, you can kind of lay it over a little bit. So, but
well, I do the bad mistake of going so slow.
It's not about going slow. It's about just not wrecking. I mean, you want to stay within your limits. There's no point in getting hurt. I mean,
you always say momentum is your friend.
And don't get tunnel vision and look right in front of where your tire's going. You want to look like I look about 20 yards ahead, 20 or 15 yards ahead, and you just look. And if you see something big that's going to be, we'll kind of key in on that. But if it's going to be something that's, this is nothing right here. Like there's nothing here. You kind of want to take a snapshot in your mind of like, okay, where's it at? And if you want to avoid something, don't stare at it. If you want to avoid something, don't stare, because that's where you'll go. If you see something you want to avoid, look the direction you want to go. So
I'm still working on that, because it's like those scary moments that like lift your head.
If you want to avoid something, you put as much pressure on the opposite side peg that side peg where you want to go. So you want to just kind of lean the bike over a little bit, and that's because if you key in on something, you're going to hit it. The main thing you want to do right now is just learn bike control. Don't worry about going fast. Raced 10 years ago and took 4 years off, and this is my first bike since 2016. So I mean,
if you're 28, another couple of years, you go to the senior class.
I know. I know.
He raced. I rode road for like 30 years, but it's different. It's a different.
Well, if people ask me all the time, they're like, I want to get a road bike. I'm like, have you ever rode a dirt bike before? And they said no.
I wish.
I'm like, get a dirt bike first, because that's what teaches you bike control. Other idiots on the road, you don't learn in the woods. You can only control what you can. You can't control what other people are going to be doing. So you want to, if you learn how to control one of these, a bike on the road's like, nothing. It's smooth. You're not having any kickouts or anything like. I mean, you can read terrain and you can master.
That's what happens. You're so used to reading terrain. Like I wish, reflecting back, I would have gotten a dirt bike, because I remember in my head, do I get a dirt bike or a road bike? And a road bike without training, not a good thing. And I used to mountain bike, and I used to race triathlon, so bicycles were fine. Because you're right, because I think your instincts, you're looking at so many more things. You're trusting your peripheral, versus if you get on a road bike, you learn how to get lazy.
Oh yeah. You're just thinking about getting from point A to point B and following traffic laws. And here, you're trying to get from point A to point B without dying. You don't want to hit anything. You don't want to wreck. I mean, it's just that's part of it. So you get good here. On the road's nothing. You just have to watch out for other cars and stuff. I mean, that's it.
Well, out here, you got to watch out for me on the ground. But I'm like a speed bump. Yeah, Jeff.
We're gonna be that way. Okay, right over top of you.
Yeah.
Carolyn will say she liked my shirt because it'll have like a tire mark, and I'll say, I bought it that way.
The speed will come,
Yeah.
But I mean, like, you put me with somebody that races like AA or anything like, I won't ever see him.
Yeah,
so like,
yeah.
I'm racing, like, I quit whenever I stopped. I was a B rider. There's no way I could compete in a B class right now. There's no way. No way. I would probably come dead last in a C race. So all I'm trying to do is try to control the arm pump. Don't grip the bars too much. Grip the bike with your legs.
Yep.
Use your boots.
Yep.
You want to keep as much contact with your pegs as you can, unless you're turning. Well, a key whenever you are turning that I've learned, if you ever have your leg out, poke your toe into your, pull your toe in, point your toe to your hub. Okay. That's what you want to do. And I'll tell you, it's a huge difference in getting the bike to go to track over. Alrighty.
All right, man.
Let's go.
A couple fun little sections coming up.
Okay.
Who's gonna try that?
Oh yeah.
A whole tree here. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. There's a tree here. Huh. I done made it too. That's alright, I'll get down. Alright, you gotta get off my peg here. Oh, hold on here. Oh, that's my shifter. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Let's see if I can. I don't know how I'm gonna turn this thing around. Do that. Maybe not. Yeah, probably. Nope, I can't do that. I ain't that strong. Huh. Oh, I'd have made it too. If it wasn't for that freaking tree. Huh. Maybe I should have scouted it first. Yeah, it's pretty steep, but there's a tree right here. And you'll see when you get here. I could get it spun around if this tree wasn't right here. That limb is right here in the way. There's no way I could get around it. I tried to just barrel into it, but it didn't give.
Damn, I don't know how you did this. This is amazing. And you made it up that route?
Oh yeah. Now I would have made up the whole thing if this tree wasn't here. I was going good.
I'll take you back to your race days.
Oh yeah. They didn't have anything like this in a race, so this would be too hard for people to.
So, GoPro never gives justice to angle, but I think with me walking up, it might show how steep.
It's pretty steep.
This is.
Yeah.
This is like steep and muddy. Without this stick, I probably wouldn't be able to get up.
So what I'm gonna do?
All right.
We're gonna try to spin that wheel, just put it in reverse.
Okay.
And try to get it.
Roll it.
Try to get it back to that tree right there, and then I can just jump on it and go down. It's pretty steep.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's what got me. I tried to just run into it, but it didn't. It went between my. Well, you'll see it on the video. I just stopped me right there.
Okay, ready? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ready?
Let me get out of your way here. Do you want me to slide it? Wait.
No, we're good right here.
Got it? Okay.
I'm just gonna wait right here. I'm gonna get it to right down there, and we'll be good. That's like, ooh, that's slick. Let me think about my route here.
Oh, because you got a gear stuff.
No, I don't. No. I just got the front brake. Alrighty, here we go. Let's see if we can do this.
Mike, just run as fast as you can.
Yeah, I probably should have scouted it first. That's tough right there.
Yeah, it's kind of tough on unknowns.
There was one of the jumps I went off right there. A few swear words on there.
Yeah.
Ah, you son of a bitch. Ow. Fuck. That was graceful.
Oh! That is.
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Thank God for my protection. Woo! That was